Hello, in front of me I've got Lamzu Inca 8K. In this video we'll check if this mouse has Bluetooth. In order to check it, let's take a look at the bottom of the mouse. As you can see right here, we've got on-off switch and DPI change switch. Unfortunately, there is no other button on the mouse that indicates Bluetooth connection. In short, this mouse does not support Bluetooth. You can connect it with your PC or other devices only via cable or USB transmitter. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.